First class rank requirement 2B. Using the menu planned in first class requirement 2A, make a list showing a budget and food amounts needed to feed 3 or more boys. Secure the ingredients. So this is part of patrol cooking. And so one of the first things that you're going to need to do is make a shopping list. In order to make a shopping list, you need to determine the number of people who are going to be eating the meal. And then the serving size that's needed to feed each person. Finally, the cost of the ingredients to make the meal, and then any extras, condiments especially. So here's an example of a meal that our troop likes to make all the time, called Mountain Man Breakfast. And we base it off of an 8 scout patrol. And here are the ingredients for that particular menu. Eggs, onion, crumble sausage, cheese. It could be cheddar, Colby, or some kind of mixed cheddar and Colby or other types of cheese, as however you like it. Hash brown potatoes, green bell peppers, flour, tortillas, butter or oil, salsa, and ketchup. So then you need to figure out how much of each ingredient that you need per person. So we need 2 eggs per person, 1 large onion total, 2 ounces of sausage per person, 2 ounces of cheese per person, 2 ounces of hash brown potatoes per person, 1 large bell pepper total, 2 tortillas per person, and that can vary, so that's based on what most people eat. Butter or oil is just however much you might need for cooking, so it's not a huge amount. And then 1 container of salsa and 1 container of ketchup. So what does this actually mean? So you really need, for 8 people, 16 eggs, 1 large onion, 16 ounces of sausage, 16 ounces of cheese, 16 ounces of hashed brown potatoes, 1 green bell pepper, 16 flour tortillas, butter or oil, which means you need a container of that, salsa, ketchup, and salt and pepper. So then you're going to need to price these out, and I used the local grocery store website, so I was able to go online and find these ingredients. Now I could not find 18 eggs. Oh yes, I could. I was able to find 18 eggs, and the price for that happened to be $2.19. Now I priced out the 1 large onion, crumble sausage. Cheese had to be purchased in 8-ounce packages, so I had to buy 2 of those. And hash brown potatoes, same thing. The pepper, I could not buy, only 18 tortillas. I had to get 20 tortillas. And then butter and salsa and ketchup. And so the total cost for this meal was $22.73. And I decided to divide that by 8 persons in the patrol. It comes out to about $2.85 per person. So this is a really reasonable priced breakfast when you're thinking about the amounts of food that each person is going to need to eat and the amount of money that you're going to pay for the entire weekend of camping, how much you're going to charge total per person. So a typical outing has 4 meals and 2 snacks. So Friday night you have a Cracker Barrel, Saturday you have breakfast, lunch, usually some kind of snack, and then dinner, and then Sunday morning you have breakfast. So the whole idea is that when you're planning out your menus, you want to try to keep your food costs between $15 and $20 per person in order to keep the outing cost reasonable, with $15 being the target that you want to shoot for. And a $2.85 breakfast definitely fits in that target that you're shooting for. Alright, this has been Scouter Rob. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. And I hope that you like this video. Happy scouting!